8 fabulous foods to boost his sperm count and increase your chance of conceiving. A low sperm count has often been linked with factors such as zinc deficiency or a lack of vitamins. So, making some nutritional change can be a great way to bring that sperm count up. That's why we have put together a list of food you definitely need to get on his Try to Conceive menu. Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Let's start quickly. How can I boost his sperm count naturally? Take a look at 7 very important points by experts proven to boost your man's sperm count naturally when you are trying to conceive. Make sure he's doing enough exercise. Now, it is not the time to push him to train for a marathon, but several studies on overweight or obese men have shown that sperm count increased when they lost weight. Avoid certain medications. It's very important that your partner has a chat to his GP before stopping any course of medicines, but some prescription medications are known to decrease the healthy production of sperm. Reduce stress. Easier said than done, but similar to women, stress can affect fertility. This is because when the body is stressed, it conserves energy and focuses on surviving rather than reproducing. A healthy diet and exercise can be a good place to start. Ditch the cigarettes. It is a well-proven fact that smoke reduces sperm count. So, if you are trying for a baby, now might be the time to persuade him to quit. Try a herbal supplement. A herbal remedy that can be around for years. Fenugreek is a herbal remedy linked to poor sperm health. Make sure he's getting enough sleep. Whilst sleep might not directly be connected to sperm count, it's an important part of making sure his body is healthy to ensure you are switching off early enough. Make sure he's getting enough calcium and vitamin D. Vitamin D and calcium serum has both been found to impact sperm health. Add these foods to your baby making menu to boost your chance of conceiving. 1. Oysters for sperm production. Oysters are one of your man's best source of zinc, which helps sperm production. So load him with 15 mg a day, around 50 gram of oysters, and you will be making babies before you know it, if your wallet or his stomach can stretch to that much. Other great sources of zinc are turkey, pumpkin, seeds, lobsters, and mussels. 2. Dark chocolates for antioxidants. Dark chocolate contains an amino acid that has been proven to double sperm and semen volume. It's also high in antioxidants, enough to rival pomegranate. Antioxidants are a great weapon against free radicals, nasty little molecules found in pollution, and toxins that are linked to male infertility. But don't go overboard. Putting on weight can cause imbalances in testosterone, which could lower your man's sperm count. A couple of squares a day is plenty. 3. Garlic for sperm motility. If the strong aroma doesn't put you off doing the deed, garlic is a great baby-making booster for your man. It contains 2 magic elements: allicin, which improves blood flow to his sexual organs and protects sperms from damage, and selenium, an antioxidant that improves sperm motility. 1 or 2 cloves a day is a good amount. 4. Bananas for libido. Bananas have been found to increase male libido and regulate sex hormone because of an enzyme called bromelain. They are also full of vitamin C, A, and B1, which will boost his body ability to produce sperm. 5. Broccoli for upbeat swimmers. Deficiency in vitamin A are a common cause of low fertility because a lack of vitamin A makes your man's sperm sluggish. Broccoli is packed with a vitamin A as a red peppers, spinach, apricots, sweet potatoes, and carrots. 6. Asparagus for volume. Asparagus is another weapon against those nasty free radicals. It is also packed with vitamin C, which protects sperms from damage and increases motility and volume. So your man will have more swimmers and they'll move faster. 7. Walnuts for sperm count. Omega-3 fatty acids increase sperm count and boost blood flow to the genitals, and walnuts are a fantastic source. They are tasty and on-the-go snack and can be sprinkled on cereal or dessert. Other good sources of omega-3 fatty acids are crab, salmon, chicken, and pumpkin seeds. 8. Ginseng for testosterone. This root has been used to treat infertility for hundreds of years. It boosts level of testosterone and increases blood flow to the genitals, with some claiming it even treat erectile dysfunction. Get your man to drink tea with ginseng and take dry ginseng root each day for a TTC boost. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. This is all for now. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section below. If you have any other ways, would love to read them, mention them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.